Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video I am going to discuss example 25 from chapter 3 matrices for CBSE class 12 mathematics students. The problem given as we have to find P inverse if it exists given P, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. What is P? 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. Order 2 cross 2. Solution. Since P equal to IP. What is P? 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. What is I? Because of order 2 cross 2, I is 1 0 0 1 into P 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. We have to convert LHS of the matrix in the form of I. Therefore, we can write I as A inverse A. Here, problem is in the form of P. Therefore, I equal to P inverse P. This is one of the important result. A inverse A is nothing but I, identity matrix. If you convert LHS of the matrix in the form of I, we can easily find from this I, which is equal to P inverse P. Here, what is P? 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. We have to do elementary transformation or elementary operation to convert LHS of the matrix 10 minus 2 minus 5 1 in the form of 1 0 0 1. That is 1 0 0 1. This is LHS in the form of I, which is equal to P inverse P. Here we have 10. We have to convert this 10 in the form of 1. So, first elementary operation is R1 divide the first row R1. Here we have 10. Therefore, R1 by 10. 10 by 10 minus of 2 by 10 1 minus 1 by 5. This is for LHS. What about RHS? R1 divide the R1 by 10 1 by 10 0 by 10. Answer is 1 by 10 0. This is for RHS. Therefore, now the LHS of the matrix now becomes 1 minus of 1 by 5. Second row as it is minus 5 1. This is LHS. What about RHS? 1 0 now becomes 1 by 10 0 0 1. What is P? 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. Now we have to convert this in the form of 0. That is R2. Since this minus 5 appears below 1, that is row 2, we have to make use of 1. This is R1. here minus 5. Therefore, I am going to multiple R1 with 5. If I add R2 plus 5 R1, automatically this term will be 0. R2 minus 5 1 plus 5 times R1 1 minus of 1 by 5. This is for LHS. Minus 5 1 5 into minus 1 by 5 minus 1, because 5 will get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Same way for RHS. What about the elementary operation? R2 plus 5 times R1. What is R2? 0 1 plus 5 times 1 by 10 into 0. This is 0 1. 5 into 1 by 10, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2 0. This implies 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 plus 0, 1. This is for RHS 1 by 2, 1. This is for LHS 0, 0. Therefore, LHS 1 minus of 1 by 5 minus 5 1. Now LHS value is for the second row 0 0. What about RHS? First row, as it is 1 by 10 0. Second row 1 by 2 1. What about A? Sorry, here P. 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. This is P. See, here we are getting 0, but here it must have 1, because identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Here it is not possible to get 1 here. Therefore, for this matrix P, P inverse does not exist. Here all the entries in the second row of LHS of the matrix are 0 0. Therefore, it is not possible to get identity matrix of order 2 cross 2 in LHS. Therefore, for the matrix P, P inverse does not exist. This is a solution for the example number 25. I will proceed towards the exercise, that is exercise 3.4. I will solve all the problem in exercise 3.4. I will upload the problem in the upcoming video. If you like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe it for more video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.